Hey YouTube, I am sorting my adapters and power supplies today. These are all good, they're wrapped good, but I want to apply some labels to them like I have here, either with what it goes to or the ratings, but they're all wrapped well. These two are wrapped well. This category is more like just cords that don't have, it's just wall to device. This is just an extension cord. This is for my Jambox. These I bought recently. They're just short extensions for a project I did. This is for charging my headlamp, but it's labeled. See? I might use a small tie for that cord. These are all USB-A to USB-B. Almost all of them micro USB-B. These two white ones are Apple variety. There is one USB mini instead of micro in there. And they're kind of bundled together because I have others of this in my house that I use all the time. These are ones I don't use. So it's very unlikely that I'll ever use any of these. Here's chargers that go from the wall to USB. Here are some adapters that need to be rewrapped because they have the old wrappings of Band-Aids. Yeah, we're using rubber bands as a Band-Aid for that solution. Now, I did rubber bands a long time back because I had a pack of rubber bands, but they age and then break and fall off, and it's a big mess. The Velcro wraps are way better. Here are a few that are Velcro wrapped, and these are the ones with the big power supply bricks, but I need to rewrap them because they're just kind of loosey-goosey, and I want them tight like everything else. And then here's a few that are same as these, but they don't have the big brick on them. And they just need to be tightened. They're already Velcro. And then this is my bin that I put them all in. So these normally reside in this bin here. And besides pairing them with the things they belong to, like I have a lot of lights, special effects lights or like party lights or something. Besides pairing them with that, there's been one occasion where, let me see if I see it, we did splice, we cut one off of another that had the end we needed, and we cut this end off and created a cord that helped us out in a pinch, but that was actually the only occasion where having all of these came in handy. Besides these always come in handy. Computer power supply cord, I threw away probably 10, no, I think it was more. I think it was like 15 of these. I kept the best ones I had, just like 3 or 4. But, oh, and this is my work computer's supply. I keep it with the other ones, but it's pretty obviously different. So that's my whole collection. I'm going to rewrap these, and then I'm going to throw them all back in there and probably never use them. Oh, and I'll probably go through and do the easy read labels with some blue tape for all of the other ones.